What's up, guys? Welcome back to the podcast. Today, we just want to take a second to talk to you about opportunities and how you really shouldn't be missing those. There's going to be a lot of opportunities that come your way. No matter what room you're in or what room you get in, there's going to be opportunities, and you don't want to miss these. What do you think?
Now, opportunities come every day. Sometimes you won't even realize the opportunity is there, but 9 times out of 10 is always going to be there. It's all about you to go figure it out if that's the right opportunity for you by simply saying something, taking action, or just moving forward in that purpose and just going ahead and doing it. For example, let's say right now we're on a Smile campaign. And on the Smile campaign, we know we're going to have to talk to different people to get them to actually tell us or smile for the camera or talk to us about anything. We have to be comfortable ourselves to go ahead and start the conversation.
Yep, and I'd say when you're looking for opportunity, that's when it don't find you. And when you're not looking for opportunity, that's usually when it finds you.
Yep.
Now, it's all about growing your connections, getting in those rooms, and figuring out who it is you need to be speaking with. If you're in a room, you're going to obviously see who a lot of people are gravitating towards, whose name you hear, and that's who you need to be looking for.
Yep.
Real quick, if you're someone that want to create high quality videos and you need a little push and you need a little bit more education on how to do so, Course Creator Academy has your back. We have one-on-one classes and virtual classes for you all, where we can schedule a time in the day and put you guys in our online course, so that way you guys can learn everything you need to know on how to achieve high quality videos.
Also, don't forget, follow us on all social media platforms, Facebook, YouTube, Instagram, TikTok, to learn more about what Course Creator Academy has to offer.
Exactly. Like Coach said, you never know when the opportunity is going to come. So don't try to measure it yourself. Don't try to find opportunities yourself, because 9 times out of 10, the more you look for it, the more it's going to actually run from you. And do things that's uncomfortable. Right now, we're at what park is this?
Fourth Ward Skate Park.
We're at the Beltline, and right now people are all around us, and we're putting ourselves in actual direct contact with people by simply doing this podcast here out in the open, where people can walk up to us, ask us questions, and see what we're doing.
Yep, and you got to get out to really get to know people. So when you're out in public and you're doing video work especially, don't be afraid to say something. You know, people are just as uncomfortable as you are with talking to other people. So when you break that ice and you talk to them, just say a quick joke, ask them how they're doing, how their day is, and get the conversation started. And that'll get you to where you want to be. And then you can ask them like, hey, do you have any opportunities for me? If it's that kind of setting, or if you're shooting a video, you can ask them, hey, do you want to be in this video real quick? And you can just shoot them real quick and go about your day.
That was some great insight, especially when he was talking about make people comfortable. For sure. That's like number one.
Yep.
And I think that's great advice.
Yep. Because like I said, people are just as uncomfortable as to talk to you as you are to talk to them. So if you go up and give that icebreaker, just smile. And that's what the Smile campaign we're doing here is about. Just getting people to smile, be comfortable around other people. We're all human. Just connect and grow those connections.
Yep. Just smile, people. Right now, if you don't know, we're on a Smile marketing campaign. You guys are actually getting the first take of us talking about it. We haven't did any promotion. We just jumped in the field, came up with the idea, and just start getting our feet wet. We haven't even introduced it to the team yet and made it a group project at all yet. So this is something fresh, this is something new, and we hope y'all like the idea. Just keep smiling, because smiling is the number one source of positivity, and it'll keep you more jolly throughout your day. So if you're going through a hard time, just try to smile. I know it's gonna be hard, but just smile.
Yep, and that's the whole point of this campaign. Like JB said, we just want people to smile more, get out, get interactive, start connecting with other people. Like we said, that's when those opportunities are going to come, when you least expect it. You never know who you're talking to. For instance, I stepped out my door one day, and in my cul-de-sac, there was a guy who was doing an inspection for the house next door. And ever since then, I've been doing jobs for him. I created a website for him. I created a forum for him. He's been paying me to edit the website whenever he needs it edited. Yep. So you never know when the opportunity is going to come, where it's going to come. But I can tell you it's more than likely going to come when you least expect it.
Yep. So overall, the message today, guys, keep attacking the day. Keep chasing your purpose, because I promise you, opportunities will come. You just got to stay consistent and do the work.
If we can make your videos go from this to this to this, would you say it'd make your editing process a whole lot easier?
Here at Course Creator Academy, we didn't only think about ourselves, we thought about you. We took the time to create LUT packages for you to make your editing process a lot faster and easier, simply by click and drag.
And right now, you can get all of our premium LUTs inside of one package sent straight to your inbox. No subscriptions needed.
And did I mention, we made these LUTs for one of the largest editing platforms out right now, which is Premiere Pro. So go ahead and head over to CourseCreatorAcademy.org to grab your LUTs today.
just get out. Basically, I'd say start doing more content, start connecting with more people. Those opportunities will come, I promise you. And we're just gonna leave you with positivity and remember to smile.
Keep smiling.